Hi, good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are in the world. Say that every time, don't have it? It's quite true. Welcome to my channel. And we got lovely 6 songs again for you today. I'm going to kick off with one from the film from Butch, Cassidy and the Sundance Kid. Burt Bacharach wrote the song. It's a marvelous little song. And it's called Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head. I know you know this one. Raindrops keep falling on my head. I think I have been a too big for in bed. Nothing seems to fit us. Raindrops keep falling on my head. They keep falling. So I just did please them talking to the sun. I said I didn't like the way God things done, sleeping on the job. Raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. But there's one thing I know, the blues they send to meet me won't defeat me. It won't be long till happiness steps out to greet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head. Life doesn't make my eyes will soon be turning red. Trying not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me. Raindrops keep falling on my head, just like the guy who's needed to be for his bed. Nothing seems to fit us. Raindrops keep falling on my head, they keep falling. But there's one thing I know, the blues they send to meet me won't defeat me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Oh, raindrops keep falling on my head. That doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me. Nothing's worrying me. Nothing's worrying me. Raindrops keep falling on my head from Burt Bacharach, 1969. From what was it called again? Butch Cassidy, of course, and the Sundance Kid. Hope you enjoyed it. Be back again in a minute with another one for you. Shop along.